In San Jose, the death of yet another dog at Animal Care and Services is further highlighting glaring issues at that shelter. A previous city audit revealed inhumane conditions and overcrowding, and now advocates say things have not improved.
And we want to warn you, some images in this next story may be difficult for some viewers to see. ABC 7 News South Bay reporter Dustin Dorsey spoke with an employee who tried to save a dog who she says was left unattended.
This dog is not doing well.
With alarms blaring in the background, San Jose Animal Care and Services employee Courtney Farrow knew something was wrong. While on a break from her shift attending to kittens, Farrow came across Lola in the medical area with no other shelter employees in sight.
She had a leg that was fully wrapped very tightly with the IV catheter, her slip lead, which is it's essentially a leash with a collar built on. The dog managed to wrap it around very tightly around her neck, dozens of times.
Farrow says Lola was not alert and breathing very slow and shallow. The animal was untangled and transported to a vet clinic where she later died. Farrow says she's received minimal training and no written protocol to prevent events like this.
They just verbally tell us things, and then sometimes they change, or sometimes different people tell you different things.
Not only did Farrow say the PM coordinator, the only staffer with medical training, was not present at work that night, but Farrow believes many protocols were not followed and contributed to the dog's death.
It's very upsetting, and it's something that I have been concerned about is the lack of oversight.
We've covered the uptick in deaths at the Animal Care Center in recent years, including another dog, Rufus, who died unattended in a kennel after surgery in 2024. Now, 6 months after a city audit revealed inhumane conditions and overcrowding, animal advocates say not enough is being done.
Lack of policies, lack of procedures, lack of training. It all points to leadership and management.
What needs to be done to really clean this shelter up and prevent future death or harm for these animals?
The blood is on their hands. They messed up, and we think that the management and the medical director need to be held accountable for this.
In a statement, the San Jose City Manager's office says they are looking into the latest death and will be conducting a full investigation to figure out if protocols were not followed. In San Jose, Dustin Dorsey, ABC 7 News.